How are you bullish in this market? You trade ICT and you bullish right here. Come on, man. This shit is beautiful. Man, the market's looking good today. I ain't even gonna hold y'all boys. Alexa, turn the light on. Ooh, the market's looking good. Alexa, turn on the light. So when I was at the gym this morning, man, around 5 a.m., right in this area, I was looking at ES. ES just been looking way cleaner than NQ recently, too. I was looking at ES and I seen that we came all the way up into this 1 hour fair value gap and swept these highs. Now, we were up here. I didn't see this push down because it wasn't that time yet. But we're at equilibrium of this range. I talked about this in my strategy video. We came up and guess what we did? We started to sell off. So we're respecting this area. Now, this is the move that started this move up. I believe we're going to come down in this area soon, especially on ES. Let's mark out PD. Well, we already hit the equilibrium point of this. So we could bounce right here and then continue to the upside. But I don't think that's going to happen because I'm bearish on higher time frames. Just from the sweep, the all-time high sweep. Now, on NQ, it doesn't look as nice. I ain't even gonna hold you. On NQ, we literally just came up and swept these highs. We have no imbalance that we tapped into at all. I don't even think on the 4 hour. Yeah. Now, between ES and NQ, we do have this big SMT right here, all the way to here. So that's nice. We also have big displacement on the 15-minute on NQ as well. So that's good confluence, but I'm very bearish. If I take anything, it's not going to be on NQ though. Because ES looks way better. And ES didn't take that high in the SMT. So it's the weaker pair as well. Now, we have news in 30 minutes. So I don't know if I'm going to take anything yet. I might take something right as news comes out. I ain't even going to hold you. I do that all the time. But I'm looking for a retracement back up into this 15-minute area. This 15-minute fair value gap because that's at equilibrium. We also got this 5-minute order block. And when we do that, we're going to sweep these highs. And I might get in strictly off of a sweep. That's how confident I am in this. No, I don't want the demo account. See, this is a situation where we already have a very good sell model on the 15-minute. Once we tap into here, liquidity sweep, tap into a 1 hour SMT, break a structure, retracement into a 15-minute fair value gap. So we already have a model. So now we're scaling into the 1 minute. We're about to see if we got another model. Now, I don't like how high NQ is coming up right now. I don't like that. 529, 250, that's equal highs. I might have to take this on NQ because I don't like how this is just equal highs. I might take a trade right here. See how this wants to play out. Why am I hesitating though? I'm not taking that. I don't know why I hesitated, but for some reason I'm not feeling it. think I need a little more structure. If that SMT would have held, I probably would have took it. But and also the good thing about this is, if I'm correct about the model, we should come all the way down to this low right here. We should come all the way down to 527275. So I can afford to be a little bit late on my entry, or miss one or two to wait for more confirmation, and then get a re-entry somehow. We didn't sweep that high though, bro. When I'm starting a 3-day fast today and I'm already hungry as shit. It's barely been fucking, how long has it been? There we go. It's been 10 hours. Already hungry as shit. I want to get an SMT right here, but the shit that's gonna piss me off is the equal highs on ES. So I kind of would rather see ES go push up and take out those highs and NQ stay down here. But that doesn't look like that's what's gonna happen. Now there we actually took out. Is that another equal high? Come on, bro. That's another equal high, bro. Exactly equal. Is that not crazy? Okay, well, we just took out that high on ES though. I mean on NQ. Thank you, man. Thank you. Really ready to sell at any second because of the SMT and the sweep right here. I wanted to get in that turtle soup, but I don't have enough confidence for that shit yet. If we start to push below this low, I'm probably gonna get in. Kinda sold too late. Actually sold way too late. I ain't even gonna hold you, boy. That's gonna be like a 1-to-1. Damn. I should have waited for a fair value gap. I kinda just jumped into that bitch. Should've gotten half my, nah. I should've just waited for the fair value gap to open up, but I wouldn't have gotten in yet. Truth be told. Cause that shit rejected like a motherfucker. I got in all the way down here, then I went reject and come back up. And theoretically, I could get out right here if I wanted to, because simply just based off the fact that we had this big rejection as I was entering. That's enough for me to get out. Even though I said that's one of the criterias where getting out is okay. And I might get out right here. Yeah, I'm gonna get out right here. And I'll re-enter. If we start to push down again with a better risk. Cause I don't like that RR at all. That shit was kinda ass. Bro, what the hell is going on? Be patient. Stop being a little bitch. I'm gonna have to take this on NQ. But ES has the clear model. NQ isn't as clear for me. I would have to just take it to this low or some shit. We didn't close below that shit at all, though. So I can't take that shit. That was just a wick. Nothing strong. I need us to respect this. How the fuck are people bullish? I personally even got on that shit. The 4 hour is bullish now though. Fuck that, I'm still bearish, bro. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck what everybody else think. We starting to sell off on NQ. I think I'm gonna get in off this order block. Might take something off here instead too. We about to see now. I waited for a lot more confirmation on this trade, so I'm pretty confident. I don't know how niggas are bullish on her shit. I just looked at Tanya Trade's live stream. She had a little poll, are you bullish or bearish today? 64% said bullish. Niggas talking about the 4 hour finna target the equal highs or some shit. I was like, what are y'all talking about? So yeah, we in this bitch right here. We got 2 SMTs. We had displacement to the downside. We respected this 1 minute fair value gap, which is really what I was looking at. And then we continued to push, so I got in off of this order block right here. I would have preferred to get in on ES, but I guess I got a little impatient or some shit. I might take my full trade off right here depending on how we react, but preferably I want to take everything off down here. I think we got way more downside to go on both pairs, so I'm not even gonna touch it yet. No, I'm gonna keep this right here though. Unless we keep doing that. Look at us melting, baby. How are you bullish in this market? You trade ICT and you bullish right here. Come on, man. This shit is beautiful. I'm about to take profit soon, though. I'm just gonna close, fuck it. Alright, so that was a nice little trade. Let me see where my execution was. So 1 at 2.79. Not bad. That's not a bad trade, man. I'm not mad at that at all. Made back everything that we lost in that first trade. And I do think we'll continue down to this level for sure. Without a doubt. But I'm trading with a $100 account, and I'm not about to risk that shit, bro. I'm not about to be up that much and just give it back, bro. On a $100 account, like you're tripping. So that was a nice little trade. We went for 2 on the day. Ended up making. Alright, so today I made $42. Lost $30 in the first trade, made $78 in the second trade, so we ain't do too bad today, man. I was waiting on this push for so fucking long, bro. You don't understand. And I think we got so much more downside to go. But I'm about to get off the charts simply because I won and I don't want to get back any profit, so. This is why RR is so huge. You can take a loss and still be fine on the day. $40 day, nothing crazy, man. $78 on the trade. But yeah, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this shit. I literally only took a trade on this live account because I was very, 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 very confident that we were going down today. I just mistimed the first entry. But the second one was a dub. But yeah, man, that's really it. 2.79R. I'm gonna catch y'all, man.